If you can't stand the heat but still need precision, it's time to meet ultrasonic machining. Ultrasonic machining, or USM, is a game-changer in aeronautics. Imagine a tiny hammer vibrating super fast, over 20,000 times per second. This high-frequency vibration, combined with an abrasive slurry, chips away at hard materials like ceramics and composites. Think of it like sandblasting with precision dance moves. The abrasive particles, driven by these rapid vibrations, erode the material to create intricate shapes. No heat, no chemicals, just pure, cold machining. The beauty of USM? It tackles the toughest materials, ceramics, glass, even tungsten carbide. Plus, it's perfect for complex aerospace components like turbine blades and nozzles. And yep, it's awesome for cutting and shaping composite materials too. But, like all tech, USM has its quirks. Slower material removal and tool wear are the trade-offs. Despite that, its precision and ability to handle hard, brittle materials make it indispensable in the aerospace industry. So next time you see a sleek jet slicing through the sky, remember, ultrasonic machining helped make it soar.